Hi, everyone, and welcome to another round of friendlies we have for the Fundesliga Quiz League, which will also serve as a demonstration video. You must have seen three videos on the site already with at set one of our friendlies, and now we are back with set two, the first of our games, and we have four new participants trying this quiz out. Today we have Anush Iyer on seat one, Nitish Khadia from seat two, Sorjo Sengupta in seat three, and Venkatesh Srinivasan in seat four. The players know the rules already, but just a reminder how it will work. There's 64 questions split in 8 rounds, with two direct questions going to each person at every time. If you get the answer correct, you get 1 point, and if you get the answer wrong, it passes to others. But the passing sequence is a very interesting thing. The question passes in a manner of who has more or less bonus attempts. If you have the least number of bonus attempts in your passes, then you get the question first on the passing sequence, and you have the most, you get the question last. If you haven't got it yet, don't worry. Watch this quiz, and you will understand the rules perfectly by the time the quiz comes to an end. And in case you like it, hope you register for Fundesliga Quiz League, the link of which is right below in the description. So with that said and done, we will start the quiz today. Anush, hi. The first question comes to you.
Yeah.
Anush. Animals such as the Sholokzik quinsley, a breed of hairless dog, the amphibian named axolotl, and the vaquita, a marine mammal, are symbols of which country?
Mexico.
That is correct. Your next question. The design of Kenzo Tange's Yoyogi National Gymnasium, which hosted swimming and diving events at the 1964 Tokyo Olympics, was widely acclaimed. It inspired Frey Otto's design of a future Olympic stadium in which city?
Munich.
That is correct, and that's 2 out of 2 for you, Anush. We come to Nitish for your set of directs. Nitish. In 1493, Christopher Columbus arrived at the Windward Islands after 2 months of travel in his second voyage. He named many of the islands we now know them by, like Guadeloupe and Antigua. But which island did he name after a serrated peak situated near Catalonia in Spain? I request all participants to keep both hands on the screen. That would be appreciated. Thank you.
Montserrat.
That is correct, Montserrat. Your next question. Which word, part of a comic strip title that started in 1897, means hangover in its original German and in a colloquial American context? The term translates word for word to wailing of cats, and the comic strip was inspired by an 1865 Wilhelm Busch story called Max and Moritz.
Katzenjammer.
That is correct. Katzenjammer Kids. And now we have the next set of questions coming up. Here's question number 5 of the quiz. This is for Shoujo. Shoujo. Planned to be the world's first 1 kilometer high building, the Kingdom Tower is in which city in the Middle East? The historic city, which serves as a gateway to Mecca, is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
I'll pass.
Pass, okay? By the way, you can take a free guess on your direct.
Yeah, I know.
That's fine, yeah. Venkatesh?
Yeah, this is Jeddah.
Jeddah is correct, which serves as the gateway for Mecca. Shoujo, your next question. It's a long question. Serial inventor Maria Beasley had already made a fortune on a barrel hooping machine patent when in 1882 she patented an improved design for an inflatable device with guardrails that was fireproof and foldable for easy storage. Her invention was used famously in 1912 and ended up saving over 700 lives. What did she invent?
The lifeboat.
I would like to improve on that answer.
Uh,
I'll give it to you this time. It's life rafts, which are slightly
Okay.
different from lifeboats, but we'll accept it this time because it's a friendly. Next question, Venkatesh, your direct's coming up. The title of which song in the updated Rolling Stones list of 500 greatest songs is a misheard version of the name of a Christian organization based on the theology of Methodism. This organization was co-founded by William and Catherine Booth in 1865, but remember, we're looking for the song.
YMCA?
Wrong. Anush?
Pass.
Pass. Nitish?
Pass.
Pass. Shoujo?
Pass.
Pass. This is the song Seven Nation Army by White Stripes. It's on Salvation Army being the organization on question here. Venkatesh, your last question of this round. Now popular around the world, the first ever gay pride parade was held in Chicago on June 27, 1970. The date was important since it was exactly 1 year since which pivotal event took place at a location nearly 800 miles to the east of Chicago.
The Stonewall riots?
That is correct. The Stonewall riots it is, and that's the end of one round. Let's have a look at the scores. The scores so far, we have Anush on 2, Nitish on 2, Shorjo on 1, and Venkatesh on 2. You can see Venkatesh has one bonus attempt while the rest have 0. So Venkatesh, you are currently last on the passing sequence. Round 2 starting. All right, so time for round 2. Here's question number 1 coming up for Anush. Anush. Akhunji, famed during Mughal times for his stunning craftsmanship, came up with the perfect design for this by juxtaposing two of his prized blades in the 17th century. Today, scrap iron from the coils of old railway coaches make for the best raw material for which geographical indicator from Uttar Pradesh? Ten seconds.
Kanpur knives.
Wrong. Nitish?
Scissors.
I need a geographical indicator.
I think Meerut scissors.
That's correct. It is the Meerut scissors. Anush, your second question. A spike in American unemployment claims last year exposed a shortage of experienced programmers of a particular language, which delayed the distribution of unemployment benefits. Experienced programmers of what language, invented by the amazing Grace Hopper, are consequently back in demand since 2020?
Cobol.
Yes, that is right. It is indeed COBOL. Nitish, your question coming up. Nitish. Starting in 1952, every March 17th, the Miami University in Oxford, Ohio, celebrates Green Beer Day to commemorate what annual event or festival? Among American cities, Boston hosts the largest festival every year to celebrate this day.
St. Patrick's Day.
That is correct, St. Patrick's Day. Next question for Nitish, you again. Influential economist Henry George argued for a single tax on land, believing that people were entitled to the value they produced, but that value derived from natural resources belonged to society at large. A 1904 board game developed by Elizabeth Maggie to demonstrate these ideas later turned into which board game?
I'll say Monopoly.
That is correct. It is Monopoly. Shorjo, your questions coming up. Shorjo. Among all the tracks that were added to the updated Rolling Stones list of 500 greatest songs, only one track was released in the 1990s. This song was titled Juicy, by which artist who, in quotes, had a story to tell in a 2021 Netflix documentary.
Notorious B.I.G.
That is correct, Notorious B.I.G. Your next question, Shorjo. Inside 1 week in 1951, two long running comic strips from across the Atlantic were born. Both protagonists had the same name, and in order to distinguish the two, one strip added the name of the protagonist's Abyssinian wire headed tribe, hound, Nasher, to its title. So, what is the shared name of these two transatlantic protagonists?
What's the timeline? Can you give a
19
timeline?
It said 1951, and 10 seconds to go.
Lucky Luke.
Wrong. Anush?
I think this is Dennis the Menace.
That's correct. Dennis is the answer. Venki, your question's coming. Venki. In 1498, Columbus, during his third voyage, used torture on the locals to capture Hispaniola, which caused his financiers King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella to summon him back to be jailed at home. After much persuasion, Columbus's freedom was restored by the royals, but at which red or vermilion colored palace did this persuasion take place?
Alhambra.
Alhambra Palace in Granada is correct. Venki, your next question. Disregarding the popular view that Earth is achala or immovable, he stated that Earth is round and rotates on its own axis. Along the way, he provided a scientific explanation for solar and lunar eclipses. Little surprise then that India's first satellite sent into orbit was named after him. Who is this person?
Aryabhatta.
That is correct, Aryabhatta. So at the end of 2 rounds, here are the scores. We have Nitish currently leading with 5, Anush and Venki second. You can see it on the screen as well, the tight second position. And Shorjo currently is 4th, but I'm surely that will change as the quiz progresses. Since Shorjo has the least number of bonus attempts, he is actually first in the passing sequence. We start with Anush again. Anush, here's question number 1. What name is given to a subclass of the popular American muscle car defined as an affordable sport coupe with long hoods and shorter back ends? It takes its name from a wild draft subspecies of Equus ferus that is typically not more than 14 hands high. Ten seconds.
I'll say Mustang.
Wrong. Shorjo.
I'll say Impala.
Wrong. Nitish.
Pass.
Pass. Venki.
Pass.
Pass. These are called pony cars. Pony cars was the acceptable answer. Your next question, Anush, coming up. 8 years before Dil Chahta Hai, what was the first movie where Saif Ali Khan and Amir Khan played starring roles in the same film? This traditional sounding film marked the debut of Saif in Bollywood and featured both actors playing grandchildren of two rival families who wished to put past bitterness behind them.
Traditional sounding film. Hmm.
10 seconds.
Okay, I'll say because you're saying traditional sounding, I'll say Parvarish.
Wrong. Nitish.
Parampara.
Parampara is the correct answer. Anush was getting the drift slightly, but it's Parampara. Nitish, your set of 2 questions coming up. John Williams' fifth Academy Award win was for which 1990s Oscar-winning film? Before making the award-winning music, he had told the director, "You need a better composer than I am for this film." To which the
Shresh,
director-
one quick question.
Yeah, go ahead.
I had only one question in this round.
No, I thought you had Pony as well.
Oh, yeah, sorry, my
I'll
bad.
repeat the question. Nitish, John Williams' fifth Academy Award win was for which 1990s Oscar-winning film? Before making this award-winning music, he told the director, "You need a better composer than I am for this film." To which the director had responded, "I know, but they're all dead."
I'll say The Gladiator.
Wrong. 1 second. Shoujo.
Schindler's List.
Schindler's List is correct. Next question, Nitish, for you. Coming up. Ignacy Jan Paderewski was a pianist and composer who gave his name to an airport in the city of Bydgoszcz. What post did he hold and in which country from January to November 1919? Ten seconds.
The court musician in Austria.
Wrong. Venki.
The president of Poland.
Wrong. Anush.
The national poet of Poland.
Wrong. Shoujo.
I'll pass.
Pass. Venki was very close. It's the Prime
It's
Minister.
the premier of Poland.
Prime
I
Minister.
wasn't sure whether it was premier or president.
Yeah, hard luck there. Shoujo, we come to you for your two questions. Here's question number one. What explosive term, a synonym for a military patronage state, was coined by Marshall Hodgson and William McNeill? Hodgson defined it as one having the following characteristics: the legitimization of independent dynastic law and the conception of the whole state as a single military force.
Italian.
Wrong. Venki.
Pass.
1 second. I think the score is not moving. Yeah. Venki has passed. Anush?
Pass.
Pass. Nitish?
Pass.
Pass. These are called gunpowder empires. Next question, Shoujo. The name of which marine mammal, a national symbol of Papua New Guinea, is used as a synonym for mermaid in some languages in the Philippines and neighboring parts? The name of its order, Sirenia, refers to a mythological creature of the sea.
I'll pass. I can't remember.
Okay, Venki? Venki, passing you?
No,
Yeah,
is it to me? Sorry, I didn't
Yes,
hear.
Venki, it's yours.
Manatee.
Wrong. Anush?
Sea cow.
Wrong. Nitish?
Dugong.
Dugong is the correct answer. Dugong is the correct answer. Venki, we come to you for your two questions. Here's question number one. Which skyscraper with a Y-shaped floor geometry is named after someone who is, among other things, the ruling emir of Abu Dhabi? It also featured prominently in the fourth Mission Impossible film in 2011, 1 year after the building opened.
Burj Khalifa.
That is correct. It is the Burj Khalifa. Your next question, Venki. The Rasunda Stadium hosted some football matches and some shooting at a certain edition of the Summer Olympics. It also played host to the final match of a men's football World Cup, which is a rare double feat. In which city is it located?
Johannesburg.
Wrong. Passing to Shorjo.
Pass.
Okay. Anush.
Pass.
Pass. Nitish.
Pass.
Pass. The answer is Stockholm. So at the end of 3 rounds, here are the scores. We have Nitish with slightly larger lead with 7 points, Venkatesh second with 5, Anush third with 4, and Shorjo currently fourth with 3. Once again, Shorjo has the least bonus attempts, so he is first in the passing sequence as we enter round 4. Time for round 4 coming up. Here's question number 1. Anush, we start with you again. The main theme for which film that was composed by John Williams draws influence from Erich Wolfgang Korngold's score for the 1942 film King's Row. AFI named this the best American film score of all time in 2005. Ten seconds.
Jaws.
Jaws is not right. Shorjo.
Superman.
So wrong. Nitish.
Pass.
Pass. Venkatesh.
Star Wars.
Star Wars is the correct answer. It is indeed Star Wars. Anush, your next question. Which dynasty, with its origins in the eponymous order of Sufism, was established in the city of Ardabil in the Iranian-Azerbaijan region? The kings of this dynasty, that ruled from 1501 to 1722 over a vast region of Asia, claimed to be Sayyids, who were accepted as descendants of the Prophet Muhammad. Ten seconds.
The Abbasids.
Wrong. Nitish.
The Safavids.
That is correct. The Safavids. It is. Nitish, we come to you for your directs. Here they are. Which craft form, produced originally in Isfahan, Iran, has Masulipatnam and Srikalahasti as key Indian centers? It owes its present status to Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, who popularized the art as the first chairperson of the All India Handicrafts Board.
I will say Kalamkari.
That is correct. You're right. Your next question. He was the Raj Vaidya or royal doctor in the court of Emperor Kanishka. His eponymous Samhita described a large number of diseases and gave methods of identifying their causes as well as the methods of their treatment. Who is this father of ancient Indian medicine?
Charaka.
That is correct. Next question, we go to Shorjo. Shorjo. Which car, named after a type of feral horse, was also one of the earliest pony cars? Some sources say that the car was not named directly after the horse, but rather after a World War II fighter plane named after the horse. Both maker and car name needed.
Ford Mustang.
Could you repeat that for me?
Ford Mustang.
That is correct. It is the Ford Mustang. Next question for you, Shorjo. Several board games were created by the Women's Social and Political Union in England in the 1900s to enact feminism ideology and generate funds. One of them was Pank Asquith, named after two political figures who opposed each other on the issue of suffragism. If one was Herbert Henry Asquith, the UK PM at the time, who was the other?
Emmeline Pankhurst.
That is correct. It is Emmeline Pankhurst. Venkatesh, we come to you for your two questions. Which 1993 production is the only film where Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan have shared screen space together? This movie marked the directorial debut of Ashutosh Gowarikar and was based on Brian De Palma's Body Double. The movie is not to be confused with a hit song from an Amir film from the previous year.
कुछ ना कहो.
Wrong. Anush?
Pass.
Shorjo?
Pehla Nasha.
Pehla Nasha.
Pehla Nasha.
Yes. Venkatesh, your second question coming up. Originally called Speck Airport, this airport, located on the banks of the Mersey River estuary, is named after which legendary musician who lived from 1940 to 1980?
John Lennon Airport in Liverpool.
That is correct. So at the end of 4 rounds, here are the scores. Shorjo has moved up third on 6 points. Anush is currently fourth with 4 points. Venkatesh is second with 7. And Nitish has extended his lead on 10 points. Anush now has the least bonus attempt, so he's actually first on the passing sequence, which you will realize when his direct questions are done, and it's going to be his on the pass. The rest are all on 4 bonus attempts. Anush, we start with you again. Here's question number 1. At a height of more than 400 meters, the Al Hamra Tower is by some counts the tallest carved skyscraper in the world. In which capital city that was dubbed the Marseille of the East during the reign of Mubarak al-Sabah is this masterpiece located?
Kuwait City.
That is correct. Kuwait City it is. Nice answer. Your next question. This airport with the IATA code BUD is sometimes referred to as just Ferryheggie. In 2011, it was named after which mania-inducing composer on the occasion of his 200th birth anniversary?
Franz Liszt.
Franz Liszt is correct. We now move to Nitish for your two questions. Nitish. The Colt is a subcompact car named after the term for a young horse, likely thanks to its size. Which company was the maker of the Colt, one that was founded by a pair of brothers in 1900? The answer is not Mitsubishi in this case, which also made a car named the Colt.
Chevrolet.
Wrong. Anush?
Pass.
Pass. Shorjo?
Pass.
Pass. Venki?
Pass.
Pass. The answer is Dodge.
Dodge.
Now it's one more question for Nitish. Here you go, Nitish. Which 1999 film was the first time both Salman Khan and Saif Ali Khan had lead roles in the same movie? It was during the shooting of this film that Salman, Saif and other co-actors were accused of killing 2 black bucks in Rajasthan's Kankani village.
हम साथ साथ हैं.
That is correct. Hum saath saath hai. Shorjo, your question. In 1492, Christopher Columbus began his first voyage across the Atlantic Ocean, commandeering 3 ships, the Santa Maria, the Nina, and which other the fastest of the 3 ships. It was from this ship that sailor Rodrigo de Triana first sighted the New World.
The Pinta.
That is correct. It is the Pinta. Your next question coming up. Which national stadium with an avian connection in its popular name has been used at an edition of the Summer Olympics and will find use again at the 2022 Winter Olympics as well?
I'll pass.
Pass. Anush?
Bird's Nest in Beijing.
That's correct. Bird's Nest is correct. So now we have a 3-way tie for second, by the way. Very interesting quiz so far. Venki, you can change that though and take your sole lead into second. Here's question number 1 for you. John Williams won his 4th Academy Award for composing the music for which film? Some tracks from that movie were titled Over the Moon, I'm Keeping Him, and Sending the Signal.
E.T. the extraterrestrial.
Yes, that's right. E.T. the Extraterrestrial is correct. Your next question. The Baird's tapir is the national animal of Belize. It is named after Spencer Fullerton Baird, whose other claim to fame is that he was the second person to serve as secretary of which esteemed American institution. He was also the first person to be named its curator.
The Smithsonian.
That's correct, the Smithsonian Institute. So that's 5 rounds done, and here are the scores. We have Nitish on 11, Venki on second on 9 points, and Shorjo and Anush are currently tied third. As you can see that everyone has the same number of bonus attempts of 4 each. So the passing order will be the passing order of the seat right now, the way people are seated. Okay. Here comes the 6th round coming up. First question is for Anush. Anush. 1 second. Copy your question. In ancient times, only the emperors had access to large ornate versions of these objects. Today, these objects symbolize people letting go of their past selves and getting new ones. What objects are we talking about that gives its name to a festival held on the final day of the traditional Chinese New Year celebrations?
Lantern.
That's correct. The Lantern Festival is being referred to here. Your next question. For the 1990 film version of which comic strip did Warren Beatty choose a 7-color palette of red, green, blue, and yellow to evoke the film's comic strip origins? Making his yellow-suited debut in 1931 at the height of Chicago's gangster era, this comic strip protagonist got his iconic 2-way wristwatch in 1946. Ten seconds.
I'm forgetting it. I'll say The Mask.
Wrong. Nitish.
Dick Tracy.
Dick Tracy is the correct answer. Next question coming up. Nitish, now we come to you for your 2 questions. The scientific name of this animal, a national symbol of a country in the southern hemisphere, is Antidorcas marsupialis. The word marsupialis refers to a pocket-like flap along its midline. Which animal, known for its pronking movements, is this?
The kangaroo.
Wrong. Shorjo.
Pass.
Pass. Venkatesh.
The wallaby.
Wrong. Anush.
I'll
Have
pass.
to pass you. The answer is the springbok.
Ah.
Oh.
Next question coming up for Nitish. Nitish. AVUS, the full form translates to Automobile Traffic and Training Road, is a public road that has also doubled as a Grand Prix racetrack. At which edition of the Olympics did it host the marathon and cycling events? Both year and city needed.
I will say 1956 Melbourne.
Wrong. Shorjo.
Pass.
Pass. Anush.
1972 Munich.
Wrong. Venkatesh.
I will try 1976 Montreal.
Wrong. This is 1936 Berlin.
Berlin.
Yeah, und. Yeah.
Shorjo, your questions coming up. Shorjo. Besides the toponymous center of this craft, Purnia in Bihar and Murshidabad in West Bengal are the most well known according to connoisseurs. Which craft form is this, named after a fort town in a different state?
Pass.
Pass. Anush?
Pass.
Pass. Nitish?
Madhubani,
Wrong. Venkatesh?
Uh, uh, pass here.
Have to pass you. It is Bidriware.
B3. Either.
Yes, from Bidar. Shorjo, your next question. Which 21st century John Williams film soundtrack features tracks such as The Milanese Nightingale and Escape from Karabujan? It earned him yet another Academy Award nomination.
Tintin.
That's correct. The Adventures of Tintin was what I'm looking for, but I'll give you points for that. Venkatesh, your two questions coming up. This synonym for a powerful person, I'll request everyone to keep both hands on the screen, please. Yeah. This synonym for a powerful person originates in the common designation among Europeans for the Emperor of India from the early 16th century to the mid 19th century. What term is this? Often used to refer to early film producers in Hollywood.
Mogul, Mogul from Mughal.
That is correct. Thanks for explaining as well. It is indeed Mughal from Mughal. Your next question. In addition to saving lives in crowded apartment complexes, Anna Connolly also pushed for one of the first New York City building codes, which mandatorily required residential buildings to have her invention. What was this external metallic feature that Connolly invented in 1887?
A post box.
Wrong. Shorjo?
Fire escape.
That's correct. We'll give it to you. External staircase or external fire escape is correct.
Nice.
Anush, we come to you. Oh, sorry, that's 6 rounds done. So at the end of 6 rounds, it's getting closer at the top. We have Nitish on 12, Venkatesh on 10, Shorjo on 9, and Anush on 8. Nitish and Venkatesh have 6 bonus attempts each, so they're at the right at the back end of the passing sequence, while Shorjo and Anush have 5 bonus attempts each. Time for the penultimate round. Here's question number 1 for Anush. Anush. In 1503, Columbus spotted an island group in his 4th voyage with many sea turtles present and named it Las Tortugas. The name Las Tortugas has since lost prominence, and this island group is now named after one of the 2 primary lineages of the family Alligatoridae, the other being alligators. So, which place is this?
Cayman Islands.
That is correct, the Cayman Islands. Your next question. Dash, an award-winning 2009 tabletop game, involves 2 players assuming the roles of powerful merchants who aim to receive seals of excellence while keeping an eye on their respective camel herds. Fill in the blank with the name of an Indian city.
Jaipur.
That is indeed correct. It is indeed Jaipur. Nitish, we come to you. Nitish, a Dubai skyscraper named the Gevora is nearly 360 meters tall and is the world's tallest in which category of building? Incidentally, Dubai is home to 6 of the 10 tallest buildings of this category in the world. 10 seconds.
I would say freestanding skyscrapers.
Wrong. Shorjo.
I'll say shopping malls.
Wrong. Anush.
Residential.
Wrong. Venkatesh.
Say radio or communication towers.
Wrong. So the 4 X's on this one, the answer is hotels. The Gevora is
Ah,
hotel. Okay. Nitish, your next question coming up. Another track in the updated Rolling Stones list of 500 greatest songs was Take Me Out, performed by which Scottish band? The band was named after a historical figure whose claim to fame was his murder at the hands of an anarchist.
Franz Ferdinand.
That is indeed correct, Franz Ferdinand being the band. Shorjo, your question. In his methods of multiplication, he used place value in almost the same way as it is used today. He introduced negative numbers and operations on zero into mathematics. He wrote his eponymous Siddhantika, through which the Arabs came to learn about India's mathematical system. Who is this 7th century mathematician?
I'll just say Aryabhatta.
Wrong. Anush.
Panini.
Wrong. Nitish.
Bhaskara.
Wrong. Venkatesh.
it's not Bhaskara, right? Banabhatta.
Wrong. Another 4 X's across the board. This is Brahmagupta. The answer was Brahmagupta. Your next question coming up, Shorjo. Composer Sergei Prokofiev has an airport named after him in which city in the Donbass region? It has been at the center of a separatist conflict since 2014 and is home to the winner of the 2008-9 UEFA Cup.
Uh, I'll say Kiev.
Wrong. Anush.
Oh, no.
Crimea.
Wrong. Nitish.
Donetsk.
That's correct. The home of Shakhtar Donetsk, the football team.
Donetsk.
Venkatesh, your questions coming up. This Spanish word is used for a horse that has a spotted coat or is marked black and white. Which car made by Ford has this name, also the name of a kind of bean?
I don't know. I just guess Fiesta.
Wrong. Shorjo.
Pass.
Pass. Anush.
I'll take a guess. Palomino.
Wrong. Nitish.
Hidalgo.
Wrong. This is the Pinto. Ford Pinto. Next question for you, Venkatesh. What was the last comic personally approved by newspaper magnate William Randolph Hearst? This strip that debuted in 1950 tells the story of the title character who accidentally enlists in the army and befriends a number of screwball cohorts as he learns the ways of Camp Swampy.
This is.
10 seconds.
I clean forgotten the name. Hagar the Horrible.
Wrong. Shorjo.
Pass.
Pass. Anush.
Beetle Bailey.
Beetle Bailey is the correct answer. And you now take your direct second place on the points table.
Shesh, can you just give me 1 second?
So with one round left to go, we have Nitish on 14, Anush on 11, second currently, Venkatesh third on 10, and Shorju currently fourth on 9 points. The last round coming up, Anush, here are your first of your last two direct questions. Anush, which artist featured on two songs that appeared on the updated Rolling Stones list of 500 greatest songs? The two songs being Crazy in Love by Beyonce and Umbrella by Rihanna. Two more songs where he was the main artist also appear in the updated list of 500.
I want to say Jay-Z.
That's correct. You get that correct. It is Jay-Z. Your next question, Anush. Bhaskara 2 introduced the Chakravala or cyclic method to solve algebraic equations in his book Siddhanta Shiromani, the first section of which was translated by James Taylor in the 19th century. What did Bhaskara the 2 call this section that dealt with arithmetic, with many of the problems addressed to the titular figure, his daughter?
So you're saying titular figure of Siddhanta Shiromani. That's the book in question, right?
The first chapter, the first section.
The first. Okay, got it.
10 seconds.
Shakuntala.
Wrong. Shoujo.
Pass.
Pass. Venkatesh.
Leelavati was
That
the
is
daughter.
correct. Leelavati is the correct answer.
Nice.
Nitish, your question's coming up. Nitish. Which empire's name is a historical anglicization of the founder's name, whose dream became an important foundational myth for the empire, instilling it with God-given authority over the earth? This empire shares its name with a piece of furniture.
Ottoman.
Ottoman is correct. Your next question. Lillian Gilbreth, an engineer and psychologist, performed exhaustive research on the psychological impact that workspaces have on productivity. Her genius in the area of ergonomics brought us an ubiquitous invention when she added something to an object in the 1920s for the disposal of kitchen waste. What did she thus invent?
The trash can.
I have to prompt you.
The trash can with the footstep.
That's absolutely right. The foot pedal trash can is the correct answer. Shoujo, your questions coming up. Last four questions of this quiz. Shoujo, here's one for you. What annual festival falls 47 days before Easter, but more importantly, one day before Ash Wednesday? The popular name of this festival reflects the practice of the last night of eating rich, fatty foods before the fasting of the Lenten season.
Mardi Gras.
That's correct. Mardi Gras or Fat Tuesday is correct. Your next question. Apart from Karan Arjun, which is the only other film where Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan have had lead roles in the same movie? This 2002 film is about a love triangle between Madhuri Dixit and the two actors.
Meenakshi.
Wrong, Venki.
Say Koila.
Wrong, Nitish.
Pass.
Okay. Anush.
हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम.
Yes, that's right. Core knowledge, volley knowledge being shown by Anush. Hum tumhare hai sanam is correct. Venki, we come to you. The last two questions of the quiz. What location in Hyderabad gets its name from brass craftsmen of a particular nationality who decorated products with repousse designs and finally plated them with German silver? Ten seconds.
I don't know. I'll say
3 seconds.
uh, Begumpet.
Wrong. Shoujo.
The French town or something.
Wrong. Nitish.
Mozumjahi Market.
Wrong. Anush.
Yeah, I don't think it fits, but I'll just take a guess anyway. Cellini.
Wrong. This is Irani Gali. Irani
Irani.
Gali of Hyderabad. Last question of tonight's quiz. Venki, if you used cards to collect corresponding wedges fitting into a wheel, colored green for science and nature, blue for geography, pink for entertainment, and so on, the classic version of what board game would you be playing?
Trivial Pursuit.
That's absolutely correct and an apt way to end the quiz with a question about something quizzical. We have Nitish winning the quiz today with 16 points, and he got 10 own answers correct with 6 bonus attempts, bonus points. Coming second is Anush today, a close second in the eventually, with 9 of his 16 own answers correct, and 4 bonus points. Coming third, we have Venkatesh with 12 correct answers, 12 total points, with 9 of his own and 3 bonus points. And coming in fourth today, we have Shoujo with 10 points, 7 of his own answers corrected, and 3 bonus points. So once again, I thank all the 4 participants who joined us this evening to play this game. Thank you, Anush, Nitish, Shoujo, and Venkatesh. And for those of you watching the game on YouTube, hope you understood the ebbs and flow of the game as well as the format, and hope you join us in registering for the Fundays Liga Quiz League. Thank you.